What's up? How are you? Our mga kalaang vlog ni Deji we are here at one of the nature healing at Mahaba, Kabadbaran City, which is ang ating bago ngayon na discover na isa ding tourist spot na ngayon ng ating Kabadbaran City. Ito ang Mahaba River. Tinatawag siyang Mahaba River kasi ito po yung lagusan at dadaanan ng ating falls from our nature at CBR. So, dito tayo ngayon guys, na-improve na talaga with our LGO. And having here, ang dami po talagang improvement talaga dito for the second time around here. At may mga cottages na talaga na inilagay dito at mga washing area, preparing area. And how those who want to try this and experience nature lover. And now, sa napakalamig na tubig dito, dito ho yan sa ating Mahaba, Tugnaw River, Mahaba, Padbaran City. May mga stick. Ano na sila ngayon, daanan at pababa papunta sa baba ng ating ilog na ginatawag nila na Tugnaw River. Which is, say Tugnaw River, where it is a very cold water from the nature from falls. I have the cottages having here. I want to try to experience this. They have cottages na napaka-mura lang po ang mga rent po dito. Together with our kasama here, with our bonding friends, co-worker and co-match here, and family of our boss and having here. This is the Laag of Deji Logi. Thank you for following with us and follow for more. This is Deji Logi po.